So how is Steelrising on the deck? Well, let's find out. Steelrising is a Souls-style action RPG developed by Spiders that released on September 7th. So we're getting this video out really fast. Now, if you just want to skip ahead to gameplay and how it works, use the links in the description or the cool YouTube chapter thing down below. But for folks who don't know about the game, I wanted to give you a little rundown. Steelrising is set during an alt history French Revolution where Louis the 16th, one of the Louis, the crazy Louis, has essentially quelled any troublemakers that might stand up against him using creepy robots. Somehow they got this tech. But anyway, you play one of these robots who has been assigned to the Queen called the Aegis to help face this army and bring peace and justice to the universe. Now, the story in my roughly 2 hours in gameplay has been solid, and the combat is, well, let's just say it's fluid and magical. When I say it's a Souls-like game, I do mean like it's Souls-like in every way, except being able to choose a difficulty. The progression system, the fighting through enemies and trying not to lose soul-like currency, and best yet, the tight, great-feeling combat are torn right out of the same pages of your favorite Souls game. Now you can see from this little icon right here, Steam isn't entirely sure if this game is gonna run well on the deck. But you know what's awesome is you have me to be your tester, and we're gonna launch it right now and see how it runs. It runs absolutely fine. But initially, it didn't. Well, it did, but some of the movies didn't work and the main UI was kind of hosed. But they already patched it today and it works better. If you think SteamDeck isn't gaining traction, when you see things like this where their updates are already happening to make it work, it's kind of proof for you. The game seems to run at a pretty steady just north of 30 FPS, so locking the frame rate to 30 FPS like you're seeing right here is the right thing to do. We have actually seen increases in battery life because, again, you're just essentially putting extra frames in. Also, I found the brightness too low at 50%, but 60 to 65 seems good. The game's actually relatively dark. And remember, the lower the brightness, the better it is for your battery. But don't sacrifice the experience. Lastly, I dropped the GPU clock down to 1000. It didn't add a whole lot to the battery, but if you know you won't be charging it for a while and you want to ink out every single bit of power, you absolutely can. And these are all things that you could do to just get that long-term great experience out of the Steam Deck and playing Steelrising. That is it for this very, very quick episode, but I would love to know down in the comments below what you thought about this little video and if further videos like this would be good for the channel. Oh, and also, I'd love to know if you picked this up, what you thought about the game. And what else in the future of games you would like to see us add, especially on these little previews, or something else you'd like to see really, really fast coverage that would be quick for us to turn around. Anyway, guys, while you're down there, make sure you slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we do a new video like this or many of the other content pieces and tech pieces that we do as well. Did you guys know we have a live stream channel? We're actually doing a live stream the night that this releases. So you should come join us. We're going to be building in an epic case. And if you want to check that out and join us either on Twitch or YouTube, you can join us every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday for live stream builds. Make sure that you join our amazing Discord server. So if you want to talk about Steam Deck, if you want to talk about PC building, if you want to talk about Mac gaming, anything like that, discord.gg/Robeytech, TikTok, all those other places at Robeytech, absolutely everywhere. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short episode. We look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks, guys.